So we would like to start tonight with what we see as good news for many of the Thai and other so-called dreamers in the U.S. This is a scene from in front of the Supreme Court in Washington, D.C. on Thursday. And this 30-year-old Thai, Jirayut Lattiwongsakorn, who has just completed his medical studies in the U.S. And now he is among hundreds of thousands of undocumented immigrants who are celebrating a historical decision by the U.S. Supreme Court on Thursday to protect them from deportation. The Supreme Court ruling means that the program known as Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals, or DACA, will remain in place for the foreseeable future, allowing more than 700,000 undocumented immigrants, including many from Asia, to live and work in the U.S. They are known as dreamers. The ruling is a major setback to Trump's administration's years-long effort to end the program. I am stunned, said Jirayut, a Thai DACA recipient and one of the plaintiffs in the lawsuits heard by the Supreme Court. Jirayut came to the U.S. in 1999, 2 years after his parents moved to California. They found work in restaurants and overstayed their visas. He said, "I'm trying to process all of this and what it means to me personally, to thousands of people, to the immigration rights movement in the U.S., because this is the first major victory at this level since Trump became president."
And Jirayut said the COVID-19 pandemic has shown that thousands and thousands of DACA recipients are essential workers. He said there are farm workers and work in grocery stores. Many are doctors, nurses, and paramedics. The DACA program was created back in 2012 through an executive order issued by then-President Barack Obama. DACA recipients, known as dreamers and mostly from Mexico and Central America, are allowed to receive benefits such as health insurance as well as the driver's licenses. But President Donald Trump, who campaigned on ending DACA and illegal immigration to the country, directed the Department of Homeland Security back in 2017 to phase out the program, calling it unlawful. Legal challenges to the decision to end DACA were upheld by federal courts in several states, prompting the administration's appeal to the High Court. In a post on Twitter, Barack Obama praised the ruling, saying that 8 years ago this week, we protected young people who were raised as part of our American family from deportation. Today, I'm happy for them, their families, and all of us. We may look different and come from everywhere, but what makes us American is our shared ideals.
All right, so congratulations to Kun Jirayut and all the dreamers in the U.S.
Definitely, that's definitely a big celebration for them.